Hey guys, welcome back. So we will tie the ponytail on the back like this. Now take few section of the hairs and then rotate it as shown in the video. Now tie all the hairs together like this. Divide it into two sections and rotate the hairs again like this. Fix them above using the clip and it's done. Next, we will tie the ponytail using few section of the hairs from the sides. Now tie it on the back like this. Rotate the hairs. Keep following these steps for few more times. Now we will tie all the hairs together. After this step is done, we will tie the rubber band on the end of the hairs. Fix them like this. Fold it upward. Fix it and it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, we will take few section of the hairs from the front and tie them on the back. Follow the same step for one more time. Now fix the hairs into each other as shown in the video. Rotate it and fix it. Now divide the hairs into two sections and make the plaits like this. Follow the same step for the other side as well. After making the plaits, we will fix the hairs above by rolling it like this on the alternative sides and it's done. Next, tie the hairs on the back like this. After that, take few section of the hairs and tie them on the back. Follow the same step for few more times. Now tie the hairband on the downside. Fix the hairs like this, rolling it above. Now again follow the same step for few more times, but this time we will fix it downward and it's done. Thanks for watching.